Okay. So the third thing is jump statements. So jump statements use you the just jumps the control. Okay, based on the keyword, it jumps the control. Okay, so there are three keywords are there in jump statement: break, continue, and pause. Okay, so it is used to transfer the program's control from one location to another location. That's all. Okay, break means so everything we will use inside the loop concept. Okay, inside the loop we will use these three things: break, continue, pause. Okay, jump statements. So I will explain you one by one. So first one, break. Okay, so break means it breaks the loop. Okay, it breaks the loop, that is it terminates the loop and changes the control to the next line. Okay, it is used to terminate the loop. What is meant by terminate, students?
So it will change, sir.
Terminate means exiting. Okay, exiting from the loop. Okay, before the condition we set in the looping, no. For example, if you want to execute 5 times the loop, but inside if there is a break statement means, so before completion of that 5 times that loop will be exited. Okay, because the break will terminate the loop and it changes the control to the end of the loop. Okay, but continue is the keyword that changes the control to the top of the loop. Top of the loop means that changes control to the next iteration. Okay, next loop. Okay, then pass is the third statement. It does nothing. Okay, it does nothing. That is it just changes the control to next line. Okay, we already saw in the normal execution. Normal execution is sequence. So the pass keyword also just passing the control to the next line. Okay, understood ba these three? I will tell you with
Yes,
example.
sir.
Yes, we'll see with an example. For I in range. Okay, for I in range 1 comma 10. Okay, so now what is the meaning, students? For I in range 1 comma 10 means how many times this loop will execute? Anyone tell me?
So 9 times.
9 times. Very good. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 means it stops. Okay, 10 it will not execute. So inside we will normally we will program like print I or I square or whatever you need you can print. Okay, this is the thing. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this coding like this: if I modulo 5 equal to 0. So what is the meaning for this statement, students? I modulo 5 equal to 0. What is the meaning?
Sir, 5% is equal to 0, sir.
5 percentage, not 5 percentage. Percentage
Sir,
5 means that is
remainder.
a modulo operator. If any number divided by 5 and that remainder is equal to 0 means, then I'm going to give break. Okay, this is a one example statement. Okay, example program break. Otherwise, okay, if it is not executed means definitely we are going to print the I. Okay, so when for this range of elements, okay, when this condition satisfy, for what value this condition satisfy, students? Students, I value
Sir,
will
5
change for
is
every loop.
divisible 5. 5.
Yes, 5 value only for 5. The 5 modulo 5 will be the remainder automatically equals to 0. Okay, at the time only it will be true. Otherwise, straight away to go for this statement. Okay, for remaining values it will go for this statement. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
what happens for I equal to 1 2 3 4? Every time it will not satisfy and directly it goes for here and printing the value. Okay, but when I is 5, that fifth iteration it satisfies, and inside it we given a keyword called break. So it terminates the entire loop. That's all. This program ends by the when I reaches 5. Okay, so it will not execute 6, 7, 8, 9. It won't go for those values. So this is the usage of break statement. Okay, then same thing I'm going to give for uh, continue also. Same program, but instead of break I'm going to give continue. Okay, continue means what happens? The same I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 means it will print the values, but when it reaches 5, it satisfies and goes for continue keyword. What happens? So without executing the next statement of the loop, it changes the control to the next iteration. Okay, so only 5 will not display here. Remaining 6, 7 again, it will go and print here. Okay, so everything I will show you now. So kindly understand. So continue means it will not execute the remaining statements of the loop. Okay, it changes control to top of the loop.
Yes, sir.
Understood, ba everyone?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes. So then pass also same you can use like this. It does nothing. Okay, just changing the control to the next line. That's all. Okay, if you give like this, the pass. Okay, I will execute. This is example program. So just I'm giving pass here. Okay, pass means just to the next line. Okay, no changes. It will print all the values from 1 to 9. Okay, so I will execute one by one. Just listen. Just listen the difference. That's
Yes, sir.
all. So when we see these three keywords, this is the usage. Okay. So kindly note down these three
Yes,
statements:
sir.
break, continue, pause, and this example program. One example program is enough to explain this concept, but just
Sir,
to
please
understand the
scroll up,
usage.
sir.
Yes. What?
Scroll
What?
up, sir.
Yes. Yes. Once again. Once again. So I'm going to show you the tutor website screen. Wait. So nothing. Scroll up. Instead of break, you are giving pause. That's all. The same program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So noted means raise your hand, students. Only 7 students raised hands. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Lower your hands, bro. So kindly tell me if the screen visible, students. Students, the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 1 second. So yesterday also I given a lot of programs, that pattern type of programs. I received some homework also. Okay, very good for the practice. But students, you should do a lot of practices. Okay, to understand everything. Okay, so just now listen. So I'm going to explain all the three things. Okay, first we will see break. This is the program. I just copied. Okay, so break means, so now we will get the output up to 4. After when it reaches 5 means it will see the break keyword, and immediately it will terminate the loop. Okay, so see the program, it gives output 1 2 3 4, then
Sir,
5.
up to 9.
No, not up to 9. See, when it reaches 5, it satisfies the condition, and inside we given a break keyword. Break means it terminates the loop. Okay,
It
it
will stop
terminates
us,
the
sir.
loop. Yes, it stops. It exits the loop. Okay. So without
Yes, sir.
completing the entire value, it exits. That is the usage of break. Okay. When it satisfied this condition, it stops. Otherwise, it will
Yes,
execute.
sir.
Okay. So that's all. This is the output for break. So kindly note down. It shows you only 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Noted. Students, everyone noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the next one, using continue keyword. Okay. So instead of break, I am going to use continue. So continue means whenever it say this continue, what
But this
happens? It is
continues 5, sir.
what pa?
It is continuing 5, sir.
No, it will continue after 5 also, but when it reaches 5, it sees the keyword continue, and
Yes, sir.
immediately it will transfer the control to the top of the loop. Okay, without executing the next statements in the loop. Okay, this is in the block, everything in the block. Okay, actually it should execute, but by seeing this continue, immediately it will transfer the signal to the next loop. Okay, that is a I equal to 6. That value will go without printing I5. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we will execute this and see. So kindly note down the program and output. Okay. So whenever it sees the continue keyword, it immediately changes the control to the top of the loop. Okay, that is the next iteration. So it prints 1, then 2 means every time it's checking the condition but not satisfying. So it goes for the next statement. Okay. See, but when it reaches 5, see the third line continue executing. So when it sees a continue, it again immediately transfers the control to the next statement. So it takes I value 6, again checking and printing. Okay. So you can see in the output, students, it is showing all the values except 5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it goes up to 9. This is the usage of continue. Okay, continue means it will not execute the next statements. It transfers the control to the next iteration, next loop. Immediately it transfers to the top
Sir.
of the loop. Break means it transfers the control to the end of the loop. Okay, this is a difference you should know. They will ask sometimes what is the difference between break and continue. Okay, both are opposite. Okay, then by using pass keyword, pass. Okay, so the keywords are everything in a blue letter, blue colors you can see here. Okay, so pass means it just do nothing. So we will get all the outputs 1 to 9. We will get everything. Actually, it does nothing. Okay, so when see the 4, see when it reaches 5 also, it simply transfers the
It will pass, sir.
control to the next line. Just to passes that. See, so again 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will get everything. So pass is just a simple keyword. It does nothing. Okay, அது எதுவுமே பண்ணாது. ஜஸ்ட் எப்பயும் போல அது ஒரு சிக்னலை கண்ட்ரோலை ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணும் நெக்ஸ்ட் லைனுக்கு, அவ்வளோதான். ஓகேவா? ஸோ பட் வி ஹேவ் சம் கீவேர்ட் லைக் பாஸ். ஒரு சம் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ்க்கு அது யூஸ் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? அதுக்காக அது வச்சிருக்காங்க. எதுவுமே பண்ணாமல் எதுக்கு சார் நமக்கு இது அப்படின்னு கேட்கலாம். பட் சம்டைம்ஸ் தட் வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ. ஓகே, சம்டைம்ஸ் என்ன ஆகும்னா சிக்னல் எங்கேயுமே பாஸே ஆகாமல் அப்படியே ஸ்டாப் ஆகிடும், ஹேங் ஆகிடும். அந்த மாதிரி டைம்க்குலாம் அதை யூஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. சரியா? அது ஒரு பிக்கர்
Yes, sir.
ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி டைமில் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். பட் யூ ஜஸ்ட் நோ எவ்ரி திங். ஓகே, கண்ட்ரோல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ்னால் நமக்கு இவ்வளோ தான். பிகாஸ் திஸ் இஸ் பேசிக் ஃபார் எவ்ரி திங். பைத்தான் அப்படிங்கிற லேர்ன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் இது எல்லாமே கண்டிப்பாக தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Students understood? Everyone return the output,
Yes,
all
sir,
the 3
understood,
jump
sir.
statements and a program and outputs. Okay, everything is important. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
so students, now I'm going to change this program and kindly tell me what will be the output. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so everyone try. Yes, so this is the program. Okay, so now tell me what is the output.
Sir, 3 will not show, sir, but all will, sir.
So the except 3 it will be executed up to 9.
Except 3.
Yes, sir, except 3, 1 to 9 will become, sir.
What about 6?
Sir, no 3, 6 and 9, sir.
Yes, 3, 6, 9 will not be executed. It will not be displayed. Okay, because a continue whenever it sees 3, that is
Sir,
a,
multiple.
you should know understand the operator. This is the remainder operator. Okay, so when it divides by 3 and gives the remainder is equal to 0 means it will execute. Okay, so whenever for what are the values it possible means 3, 6, 9. So you will get the output 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, understood? Because they will ask in the exam like this, they will just
Sure.
give the program and they will ask you what is the output of the following program. Okay, so you have to execute logically by your mind and give the output. Okay, so continue. Whenever it sees the continue, it goes for the next iteration. Understood, everyone?
Uh,
Yes. So kindly note down this program and the output. Students, you see only we are getting the values 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Students, everyone note down. Very, very
yes,
important.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, for only continuous only one, it's 3, 9 will become, sir, not come, sir.
So what this is only for this program. If we continue means it will go for the next iteration. Break means
Yes.
it permanently stops the program. Okay, it will display only 1, 2. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it stops. If you give break here, what will happens when you see break means it transfers the control to the end of the loop. Okay, it coming out of the loop. ஓகேவா? அது அது வந்து ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகாம இதுவே கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிடும். இதுவே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுது அதோட ஃப்ளோவை. ஓகே, ஸோ see here you will get only answer 1, 2. That's all. ஸோ இங்க பாருங்க ப்ரோக்ராம் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆயிடுச்சு. 1, 2 மட்டும் தான் நம்மளுடைய அவுட்புட். ஃபார் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்க்கு இந்த மாதிரி அவுட்புட். ஓகேவா? ஒவ்வொரு ப்ரோக்ராம்க்கும் மாறும். பிரேக் அப்படின்னா ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. அந்த
Yes, sir.
அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் எப்ப சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகி அந்த பிரேக்குங்கிற கீவேர்டை கண்ட்ரோல் பாஸ் ஆகுதோ அந்த கண்ட்ரோல் பிரேக்கை பார்த்த உடனே அது வந்து லூப்பை விட்டு வெளியில வந்துடும்.
எஸ் சார். சார் நான்
ஓகே
இப்போ வந்து எஃப்ஐல வந்து 2 வந்து இருந்துச்சுன்னா 2, 4, 8லாம் வராதா சார்?
ஆமா கண்டினியூல.
ஓகே சார்.
This is another implementation of displaying the odd numbers. Very easy to display. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So note down this also. So not only these numbers, you can process anything. Okay. So இங்க பாருங்க நான் வந்து string கூட யூஸ் பண்றேன். இப்போ வந்து str equal to hello அப்படின்னு கொடுக்குறேன். இப்போ வந்து என்ன ப்ராசஸ் பண்றோம்னா நம்ம வந்து ரேஞ்ச் இந்த இடத்துல ரேஞ்ச் நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு பதிலாக நான் வந்து டைரக்டா சீக்வன்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். அதாவது str அப்படின்னா இந்த ஸ்ட்ரிங்கவே நான் ப்ராசஸ் பண்ண போறேன். ஒவ்வொரு டைமும் ஒவ்வொரு கேரக்டர். அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் h உள்ள போகும், அடுத்தது e, அடுத்தது l அந்த மாதிரி போகும். நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல சின்னதா சேஞ்சஸ். if I equal to l l எப்போ வருதோ அப்போ பிரேக் ஆயிரும். ஓகே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிரேக் யூஸ் பண்ணி சொல்றேன். So what will be the answer,
But
students?
H and E only want to come, sir.
Yes, HE only the output. Okay. So see, I will directly go for the last line. So you will get only the output HE. Okay. Suppose if I give continue, what will be the answer, students?
Sir, HEO.
Yes, very good. HEO. Okay. Whenever it sees L, it will execute continue and it will go for the
It will
next
not
one.
come, sir.
Yes. So it will go for the next one. Okay. Very good. So you see the output HEO. Okay. Understood, everyone? So this is the way you can process any data type. Okay, but you should understand the break, continue, pass. Okay, these are jump statements. It just jump the control from one location to another location. Continue வந்து கண்ட்ரோலை மேலே பாஸ் பண்ணும், பிரேக்கை வந்து கண்ட்ரோலை கீழே பாஸ் பண்ணிடும். ஓகேவா, அந்த லூப்பை விட கீழே. அவ்வளோதான். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் பா எவ்ரி ஒன்? So that's all about this chapter. Okay, so kindly go through everything. I already shared this material, students. Tomorrow you will have MCQ test and descriptive test in evening. So kindly practice, then only you will understand. Okay. So I already given a lot of questions that everything we already practiced in the class only. Okay, so kindly go through all the classes, that videos, all the materials. So kindly finish your classwork notes. That is very mandatory. Okay. Understood, pa? Any doubts? Any doubts in this chapter, students?
No, sir.
No. So anyway, the remaining 3 days I will continue this control statements only. We will see a lot of programs, but definitely students today you have to practice a lot and get some knowledge about control statements. Okay, these remaining 3 days I will continue control statements because we need to practice a lot of programs. Okay, so get ready for the program session. Practical is mandatory, very mandatory to understand all the concepts, because this will continue in the 12th standard also. So in 12th standard this look like very basic. Okay, because 12th standard we have a lot of complex things. Okay, so I will just draw the control flow. So whenever it sees a break, it takes control to the end of the loop. Okay, it takes control to the end of the loop. When it sees continue, it takes control to the top of the loop. Okay, next iteration. Understood? Students, understood? But pass means it just takes the control to the next line. Students, respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the control flow, that diagram, how the control flows from one location to another location. Okay, these three are the jump statements, but this is not exactly the definition, but this is just for understanding. Okay, so whenever they need a definition, you have to explain it correctly. Okay, so explain deeply and explain with some examples always. At least you use any example. Okay, so this is one example, so kindly do it. And so I will share this material now, this program material. Once again, wait. Everyone get it in the chat box, students. We already shared the chapter material, right, students? Students, everyone received that, no?
Yes.
Already?
Yes.
Yes. So just to share this material, this is a classwork. I used this for classwork. I used a lot of programs here. Okay, so kindly go through everything. I will share this material. Once again, wait.